Hello guys, Cyrus here, and today we're from another video that I'm going to be talking about my 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. I bought it in last May, and I haven't really talked about it much. So here it is. It's 2016. I put the red badges on. I didn't have that, so it's not the red eye. I know when I was at a car show with it, people were thinking it's the red eye. It's not the red eye. It's just a normal Hellcat, but it's still cool. I didn't really want the red eye because they're very expensive. So here it is. And inside, I'll show you here. Inside, it just has an average red interior with the Alcantara inserts, and it has the 200 on the dash. Here it is. Oh, hang on, let me. There. See, but that's pretty cool, and it doesn't have a mid muffler delete. I mean, you could see here. It sounds pretty good. I'll probably put an upgraded exhaust on it though, so it'll sound better. Or I might just delete the catalytic converter and the mid muffler. So let's go over here. Inside it has, like I said, the red inserts, and here it is. Like I said, it has the SRT pages, which I'll show you. Here it is. Here it is with the custom mode, all that. You turn on the SRT pages and it'll have your, I'll show you. It's just loading. It takes a minute, but while it's on, I'll just show you. Here, actually, let me just, do this. This is how I'll turn it on. Because I don't want to climb all the way over there. I have to have the door closed. So here. Here you go. There. And here you have your whole SRT pages, which should be loading up. Now I bet you I have to reload them. While they're loading up, I'll show you the whole. Turn it on, I thought. I'll show you. You don't need to see that. It'll show you though your 0 to 60 timers, your 0 to 100 timers, your 0 to 1/8 of a mile timer. All that stuff's on there. You can change your whole modes, all that stuff. Your messages, I think that's like if you have a check engine light or something. I don't know though. So that's pretty cool. Oh, here's your performance pages. They're loaded up. Here it is. It has your timers. Like it'll show you could do all your timers at once if this will ever load up. And it has the Hellcat thing, which is cool. Come on. There. You see how you can do it all at once, which is cool, I always thought. So, and then you can look at the best. You can look at the last. And then you can save it, which I'm not gonna do. But and then I'll have your cooling gauges, your G-force, which will show you like how fast you're going and your G-force, and it'll show you like how much power you're making. So if I just reach down here and press the gas, it'll say, see that? That's cool. I always like that. But pretty much that's that. Outside here we have the the whole what's it called? You have your trunk, which I'm not gonna show you because I have stuff in there, but here it is. I have no stickers on it either. I don't like stickers on cars. I only have my Instagram here, and I'm probably gonna put like a YouTube right there. And my car's dirty. Don't look at that. Let's pop the hood and I'll show you the hood. So let's look at that next. Which is underneath. It has the. Hang on. Here it is. It's supercharged. I'm probably gonna paint the supercharger and these what are they? Fuel rail covers, and probably put an upgraded supercharger belt in that and all that. What else? And it has I'll probably put some like supercharger mods on it. Maybe not. I have no idea. But probably definitely an upgraded air intake or a new upgraded I don't know the name for this. I forgot it now. But I was looking at one of those too. And here that is. So let's look now. Here it has, just everything. Now let's we're gonna take it for a drive. I'm gonna have to go get my mom so she can film me while I'm driving. So let's go do that now. So we are driving now. We're gonna head to, I'm just gonna head up the block. So pretty much, when you hit the SRT button twice, it'll put it on the custom mode. Good. So over here, and it's in custom mode now. Like I showed you guys how that holds all that. We're just gonna go up the block. It actually isn't that hard to drive. It's just like you have to really floor it to get it to go. Like I was holding like halfway down there and it wasn't going yet. You really have to like floor it. I'm not gonna do that because it's like, you know, in a public street. But maybe once we get out to the farm tomorrow, I'll do that for the video. And you could look on my Instagram. I do that all the time. So I post that. And then, so we're just gonna head up here. I've actually, it gets, the gas mileage is horrible. Like I said, it gets, I think, damn, bad drivers today. It gets like 10 miles a gallon around the town. But when I was driving it to Colorado Springs the other day, I had it in eco mode and I was going like 18-ish, so not horrible. But when you're around town, and it doesn't get good gas mileage, so he's rolling coal. And then my F-250 got better gas mileage. When I was on the road trip to California, I was there last week, I got like 18 average. I see. We're gonna go, so then, like I said, I see like the F-250 got better gas mileage for the road trip. I haven't taken this on a really far road trip, and the road trip was like, I don't know, it was like a 2,000, it was 4,000, I don't remember how much it was on. I think it was like 3,000 miles, and it was getting pretty good gas mileage, actually 18. I mean, now if you drive a Prius, you're probably gonna think that's horrible, but for me, that seems actually pretty good. When I got a muffler for the F-250. I didn't delete it. I got a muffler tip though, a big one, and it actually got, I think, better gas mileage when I put the muffler tip on it. Before it was getting like 16-ish on the road trips. Now it's getting 18 to 19, which is good. And you have to remember the last part of the road trip, because I keep the chip on the whole road trip so I can see how much gas mileage I made the whole road trip. It goes up because you're coming down the mountain. So when you come down the mountain, you're not on your gas as much, so you get better gas mileage. So that's why it probably says 18. You see in here. So that's why it probably says that. Let's get an exhaust clip. Nothing too crazy, but I mean, it sounds decent for no mid-muffler delete, but I've heard one of my friends has a mid-muffler delete on his, and it sounds actually really good, so I'll probably end up doing that, or just put a better exhaust on it. The F-250 didn't, potholes all over, it didn't sound any better when I did the mid-muffler delete, or not mid-muffler delete, what am I talking about? When I did the muffler tip on it, it didn't sound much better. Instead, the turbo spools more now, so it sounds like better, but it doesn't sound like crazy, so it doesn't smoke or anything like that, so we're gonna, but I mean, I like this car, and I actually, it doesn't cost a ton to fill up, like, for it's, like, in California, the F-250 was $80 to fill up with diesel, or actually, but I actually waited, because I always wait with a half tank on it. Thinking about that, yeah, I'm an idiot. It was like actually more like 120-ish, because I'd wait till it has like 100 miles left on the tank. I guarantee you if it was down to like empty, it'd probably be $130, $140 to fill up. When I was in Utah, it was more like $85. So I mean, here in California, you'd probably, it'd probably be more, because this only runs on 91 or 93. I mean, here you only get 91, but if you're in, if you're in California, I think they have 93 there, it'd be a lot more, because they obviously have more octane, so it fills up, so it costs more. Here it costs, like, in this, it costs about $80 to fill up, and I have to fill up probably twice a week, because I drive this every day, pretty much. Some days I drive the F-250, and it's about the same, actually, to fill up. Diesels, I don't remember now. I haven't filled up diesel in a while here. I know with the Hellcat it's like $4.50 a gallon for the 93, which, I mean, it's bad, but it's better than it used to be, 6 months ago, so that's better. Well, I guess that's probably it for today's video. I gotta get home because I gotta finish editing this video and get it up because I got stuff I gotta do tomorrow. I'll probably film another video tomorrow when I'm at the farm, but I gotta look because my F-250 was doing the death wobble, it's called, when it shakes around. So I gotta get underneath it and see what's wrong with it. So I might film a video on my chaser or something when I'm out there. I have no idea. But stay tuned for that. So I'll see y'all on the next one.